So this is continuing to that example about my hitchhiking thing, which helped me to get over one-itis. And one-itis could be in your relationship, job, study, that exam or something, and that will ruin your life. India has this disease, and everybody is ruining their life with this thing. And I would say, like for me, like I hate to say it, I will objectify something over here which might offend a lot of people, but it is a very good analogy to give you understand. For me, I've seen a lot of people who will not buy until they don't buy their favorite bike, they will walk, they will waste money. That's a stupid idea. Whatever, I have seen a lot of smart people, they buy a bike which is second hand, third and fourth hand or something like this, drive for some 2 years or something, sell it and buy another one, move forward, something like this. It's a very rude and heartless thing to say, but that's the way you should live life. If you think you're gonna take something for a long life, it is not gonna happen. People are very fragile in this AI's world. We are like attracted to customization. We don't like any kind of, nowadays jobs doesn't exist for 10 years, 15 years. It's only 2 3 years. Same way relationship are not here for very long time. If you're lucky, you will get it. That's why it's very okay to spend time with somebody 2 3 years, 4 years, move forward to another part of life or something like this. And this example, right, because lot more people uh, think like, oh, I want this best thing and that will go with my life till the end or something. Because of that, you put a lot of pressure on the other person, because you have waited for 10 years. That person, the other girl, has not waited for it, so they're going to be very chill and casual with you, but you would have a lot of high expectation of that person because you waited so long. And that will ruin your relationship. That burden of performance on the other partner is so bad. So a lot more time that relationship doesn't work. So it's always like keep moving, keep upgrading. If somebody is not growing with you, move aside, keep moving forward. In that scenario, body count really don't cares. But there is a fact, if somebody who has a big history or something, they don't pair bond something like this. Really, it's both for men and women. It's morely for men. For men, it is mostly emotional side. If guy is emotionally bonded with a lot of people, fourth time, fifth time, it will be hard for him to emotionally get over it. And for girl, it's not emotional. If they physically made contact, they automatically, because there's something called serotonin which releases in their body whatever time they have sex or something like this. So it's a different thing for boys and girls or something like this. So if you thinking for like, hey, just get, lot of guys I've seen stupid comment, no seal no deal. Bro, you're not getting a single option. These are for people who have option. And when you grow in life, you will have option. Lot more time you will get that kind of woman which you're quoting, only if you become the top echelon man in the society. And that doesn't start at 25 age. When you grow 30 35 something, that time you could get something like this. There is to be a way with arranged marriage setup that used to work in the past, but arranged marriage setup has gone totally. That's like a business nowadays, so forget about that. So my idea is that, what I believe is, whatever comes, if they respect you, if they help you grow in their life, body count really doesn't matter. Move forward in the life. As you move, grow in the society, if you become better, you will find better people. And most of the time there is a correlation. Better people doesn't have a lot of body count at the same time. So that goes up. It's like you started with buying second-hand cars and everything, and eventually you grew up and brought a new car, then you brought a Ferrari, then you brought something like this. That way you have to grow forward. So that is the mentality. Same with job as well. Don't stick that I only want that UPSC job or something, or that government job, or this job. Do whatever you get, because if you wait for too long, life is gone. Life is passed in that way. Will have so much regret. In the end, you might not even get that. So that is my thinking. I think there will be one more video I'll make to clarify a lot more ideas. So I hope to see you over there as well. Do follow me to watch that video.